Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Visual Studio with Git support, and your Azure DevOps credentials. Open Visual Studio and choose Team Explorer or View Git changes. Once open, select Clone a repository. Paste the Azure DevOps repo URL into the clone field, then pick a local path. Make sure it's empty or intended for the repo. Choose HTTPS or SSH depending on your setup. If using SSH, ensure your key is added to your Azure DevOps profile. Click Clone to start the checkout. Once cloning begins, Visual Studio will handle the fetch and checkout. You must authenticate. If using HTTPS, enter a personal access token when prompted and optionally save credentials. If SSH, confirm the agent is running and key loaded. After authentication completes, Visual Studio lists branches. Switch to your desired branch by double-clicking it, and set it to track origin if you will push changes. Make sure fetch and pull complete without errors. If not, stop and read the output pane to see which step failed. After clone finishes, open the solution from the local folder and restore new Git packages so builds succeed. Build once to catch missing SDKs or package errors. Install required workloads if needed. If pushing fails, confirm origin remote and branch mapping in Git settings or run git remote v in a terminal. Make sure your credentials are valid. If you see authentication errors, clear saved credentials, re-enter a valid PAT or reload SSH keys, and reclone to a new folder as a last resort to resolve corruption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.